The orange light on your Lenovo ThinkPad docking station typically indicates a power-related issue. It signifies that the dock isn't receiving or delivering power correctly. This could be due to several factors, but it's generally not a complete system failure, meaning there's a good chance you can fix it. We'll explore the common causes and solutions in this video. Start with the simplest solutions. First, ensure all cables are securely connected to both the dock and your laptop. A loose USB-C connection is a frequent culprit. Next, verify that you're using the correct power adapter for your dock. Using an underpowered adapter, like a 65 watts on a 90-watt dock, will cause problems. Try a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues. A hard reset, unplugging everything for 30 seconds, can also help. Outdated software or drivers can prevent your laptop and dock from communicating correctly, leading to power delivery issues that trigger the orange light. First, open the Lenovo Vantage app on your computer. If you don't have it installed, download it from Lenovo's official website and install it. In the app, navigate to the Updates section and check for available driver updates. Pay special attention to updates for Thunderbolt controllers and docking station components, as these handle the power delivery protocols. Once updates are found, install them. After installation, restart your computer to ensure the new drivers take effect. These updates often include fixes for power delivery issues that cause the orange light. Keeping your software and drivers up to date is a key preventive measure and often resolves the orange light problem without needing hardware changes. Lenovo Vantage includes a built-in AI-powered troubleshooter that can diagnose power anomalies. Run a system scan to check for power-related error codes, such as 1802 for PD failure. This diagnostic tool can provide specific insights into the problem and suggest potential solutions, such as replacing a faulty cable or updating firmware. To check for recalls and known issues, visit Lenovo's support website and search for your dock model. Look for any active recalls that might affect your device. For example, in February 2025, Lenovo recalled 1.5 million ThinkPad USB-C dock Gen 2 units due to capacitor failures causing persistent orange lights. If your dock is affected by a recall, follow Lenovo's instructions for a free replacement to resolve the orange light issue. If basic troubleshooting steps fail, firmware flashing may be necessary as an advanced solution. Start by downloading the latest firmware specifically for your dock model from Lenovo's official website. Follow all instructions precisely because interrupting the flashing process can cause permanent damage to the dock. These updates typically fix issues with power delivery protocols. Remember, this should only be attempted by experienced users or used as a last resort. If the orange light persists after trying all software and connection-based fixes, hardware failure might be the cause. Common issues include overheating, capacitor degradation, especially in older docks, or electrostatic discharge damage. If you're comfortable with electronics repair, you might attempt replacing internal components like the power board, costing $50 to $100. Otherwise, professional repair is recommended. To prevent future issues, use certified accessories and avoid daisy-chaining docks, as this overloads power delivery. Trends show universal docks with higher power delivery, like Thunderbolt 5's 240-watt PD, reduce these incidents. AI integration in tools like Lenovo Vantage will predict failures in advance. By 2030, expect modular docks with self-healing components, reducing e-waste from failed units.